Twisted in Living. What's up, everybody? We're here with another cast iron recipe for your Dutch oven. This is zucchini lasagna. Never tried it, cook it a lot, never tried it in Dutch oven, so I'm going to try it now. Let's show you what you need. First off, brown you some meat, hamburger, turkey, whichever you want to use, with spaghetti sauce and tomato paste. Slice you up some zucchini, and then you're going to layer it, and then you will add mozzarella and ricotta. So let me put it all together and I'll show you the steps. So I started off with a layer of zucchini, and then the hamburger and sauce mixture, and then ricotta, and then mozzarella, and then you just start over. Layer again, just like you do lasagna. The only difference is you're using zucchini instead of noodles, which for us works very well because we're trying to cut out carbs. So we tried this a while back. I think we actually tried this on the Daniel fast, and we loved it. Minus the hamburger, of course. I can't remember what we used. I think we did with just vegetables. But now you start all over. So I think my coals are ready. So let's throw some fire to it. I'm guessing it's going to take about 20 minutes, but I'll let you know as we get through. So we've got it on the fire. So like I said, we'll start with about 20 minutes, see where we go from there. Alright, so it's been 20 minutes. Full disclosure, I had to pull it off the bottom coals at about 15. Then I gave it 5 more minutes. And there you go. Look at that right there. We'll dig into it and let you see what it looks like. So there we go. Dutch oven zucchini lasagna. Yeah, it's still hot. We couldn't wait. It looks so good. What you think?
It was delicious.
KK?
It's pretty good. It's really good.
Yeah, it is really good. Another Dutch oven win for Twisted in Living. I'll post the recipe down below in the comments. Be sure to check it out. Peace.